Hi, I'm Libby from the Ian Potter Library at Alfred Health. This video will show you how to use your library borrowing account. This includes how to log into your account, how to reset your password, how to renew your books, and how to place a hold on books. Your library borrower account is specifically the account that you use to borrow physical books or Kindles from our library. Firstly, in order to borrow physical items from the Ian Potter Library, you need to be a staff member, researcher, or student based in an Alfred Health site, and you need to have registered for a library barcode. If you haven't registered for a library barcode yet, then watch our previous video on how to use the Alfred Health Library services. Then you can return to this video. Okay, you have your library barcode with you? Great, let's get started. To log into your library account, you will need two pieces of information. First, your username. Your username is the same combination of letters and numbers that you will find on your library barcode. Your password is the password that you would have provided to us when you first filled out your registration form. If you don't remember it, that's okay. Skip to the section on lost passwords to find out what to do next. When you have your username and password ready, you can log into your borrower account by going to alfredhealth.intersearch.com.au. This is the website for our library catalogue. In the top right corner, click the button that says Log into your account. Put your username and password in and submit, and you will be signed in. If you've forgotten your password, then go to our library catalogue website at alfredhealth.intersearch.com.au. In the top right-hand corner, click the button that says Log into your account. Click the Forgot Your Password option, and then enter in either your email address or your username. You will have an email sent to you to reset your password. This email will be sent to the email address that you gave us when you filled out your registration form. If you're unsure which email this is, check your Alfred email, your personal email, and any university email accounts if they're applicable to you. Using your login details, you can renew your books up to 3 times. Once you've logged into your borrower account, you will be taken to a screen which will show you the books that you are currently borrowing. Next to each book, on the right, there is a checkbox labelled Renew. Check each of the books that you want to renew, then click the Renew Selected button. Alternatively, you can skip checking all of the books and just click Renew All. This process will renew your books for another month. Please note that only books can be renewed. We don't allow for Kindles to be renewed. Instead, we ask that you please return them back to the Ian Potter Library. Additionally, you're unable to renew items if the due date has already passed. If you are looking through our catalogue, you may find an interesting book that is currently borrowed by someone else. You can place a hold on it so that once the book is returned, it is put aside for you to collect and read. When you have found the book that you want in the library catalogue, click the Place Hold button. Then click Confirm Hold. You will be notified when the book is available for you to borrow, and you can pick it up by visiting the library office during our staffed hours of 9:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. on weekdays. If you have further questions about using your borrower account or other library services, then you can visit our website at alfredlibrary.org for more information. Thank you for watching.